This is another mini puzzle box. It's thinner than the other. Then I mean this. You can see it's 2x2. It is 3x2, but it's much taller. So yeah. We get in right away. So you see on top here, everything's gray except this. So something weird about this. You can see something down there. So we just take it out. It's our key. Where's the keyhole? Well, then you take this, slide out, and then you take and push this in, and here's your bomb. Yeah, this is another find bomb. I use this for the minis because it's pretty nice, or it doesn't take too much place. So yeah, you can get this in the Lego City calendar. If you got it now, it's maybe too late. I don't know. And then you just put it back like that. Yeah, that's it.